First, we're going to start by warming our hands. We're going to rub from our forehead to the back of the head 9 times. Next, we're going to take our thumbs and the knuckle of our pointer fingers. Thumbs go on our temples. Knuckles go between the eyebrows and massage down to our thumbs 9 times. Knuckles go underneath the eye socket, trace down and up our eye socket to our thumbs 9 times. Next, we're going to use sword fingers, place them in the center of our forehead, massage 9 circles clockwise, 9 circles counterclockwise. Now rub down to your temples 9 times. Either side of your nostrils, there's a pressure point here. It's a good point for decongestion. You would put pressure straight in until you feel a slight pain and hold it for 90 seconds. But what we're going to do now is massage 9 circles in, 9 circles out. Now rub down to the corner of your lips 9 times. Now underneath your nose and above your upper lip in that indention, there's a pressure point here. This pressure point is good to stop bloody noses. It's also good to revive somebody if they pass out or faint. So we will put pressure there for 90 seconds. But what we're going to do now is massage 9 circles clockwise, 9 circles counterclockwise. Now rub down to the corner of your lips 9 times. Now from the bottom, the center of the bottom of your lip, we're going to massage up 9 times to the corner of your lips. Now using the center of the palms of your hands, place them on your temple, massage 9 circles forward, 9 circles back. Now rub down to your chin 9 times. Using the back of one of your hands, put pressure up under your chin and rub back and forth 9 times. Using the knuckle on your pointer finger and your thumb, pinch the top of your ear, massage down to your earlobes, pull straight down. Rub down your neck, chest, and shoulders 9 times.